Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are retackling a question I get all the time. How can I start making money online if I don't have any money to invest? It's a great question, and I'm here to tell you, it's absolutely possible. You don't need a huge bank account to get started. You just need some time, a bit of creativity, and the right information. So, grab a notebook, because I'm about to share 10 proven ways you can start earning online today with zero upfront investment. Let's get right into it. First up, a super simple one, online surveys. Now, hear me out. You won't get rich doing this, but it's legitimate pocket money you can earn in your spare time. Websites like Swagbucks and InboxDollars pay you for your opinion. You just sign up for free, fill out your profile, and they'll match you with surveys from companies doing market research. You can do them while watching TV or waiting for a bus. The pay-per survey isn't huge, but it adds up over time, and you can often cash out for gift cards or even PayPal cash. It's a solid, no-risk way to get your feet wet with online earning. Method number 2 is freelancing. This is where the real potential starts to show. If you have any skill writing, graphic design, video editing, social media, even just data entry, you can sell it online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are massive marketplaces connecting freelancers with clients who need work done. You create a free profile, list your services, set your prices, and start applying for jobs. The key here is to start small. Maybe offer your services at a lower rate to get your first few clients and build up some positive reviews. Once you have a good reputation, you can raise your prices and start landing bigger projects. The best part? You're your own boss, working on your own schedule. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This might sound complicated, but the concept is simple. You promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get a commission. The beauty is you don't need to create a product or handle any shipping. Many companies, including huge ones like Amazon, have free affiliate programs. You can sign up, get your links, and start sharing them. Where do you share them? On a free blog, on your social media, in YouTube video descriptions. Anywhere you have an audience, the key is to promote products you genuinely believe in and that are relevant to your audience. It takes time to build trust and get clicks, but it's a completely passive income stream once it's set up. Method 4 is creating and selling digital products. This is one of my personal favorites because your profit margin is nearly 100%. What's a digital product? It could be anything from a PDF guide, an ebook, a printable planner, a template for resumes, or even a short online course. If you have knowledge in a specific area, fitness, cooking, coding, gardening, you can package that knowledge into a digital format. You can use free tools like Canva to design beautiful PDFs and then sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, which often have free tiers to get started. You create it once, and you can sell it over and over again, forever. Number 5 on our list is starting a YouTube channel. Yes, just like this one. It costs absolutely nothing to create a channel and start uploading videos using just your smartphone. Pick a topic you're passionate about, something you could talk about for hours. It could be gaming, makeup, tutorials, product reviews, educational content, anything. Consistency is key. As you grow your audience and hit certain milestones for watch time and subscribers, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from ads shown on your videos. Plus, a YouTube channel is a great platform to promote your affiliate links or your own digital products, creating multiple streams of income from one place. Following closely at number 6 is blogging. You might think blogging is dead, but it's far from it. People still search for information on Google every single day. You can start a blog for free using platforms like Blogger or a free version of WordPress. Just like with YouTube, pick a niche you're knowledgeable about and start writing helpful, interesting articles. Once you start getting traffic, you can monetize your blog in several ways. Display ads through programs like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing by placing links in your articles, or by selling your own digital products directly to your readers. It's a slow burn, but a well-established blog can become a serious moneymaker. Number 7 is a really cool one, print on demand. Have you ever wanted to sell your own custom t-shirts, mugs, or posters, but didn't want to buy a bunch of inventory? That's where print on demand comes in. Services like Printful or Teespring let you upload your designs for free. You then list these products for sale on a free marketplace like Etsy or your own simple online store. When a customer buys one, the print-on-demand company prints the item, packs it, and ships it directly to the customer. You don't touch a single thing. They take their cut for production, and you keep the profit. It's a completely hands-off way to run an e-commerce business with zero financial risk. At number 8, we have social media management. If you're naturally good at social media, you know how to grow a following, create engaging posts, and understand the different platforms, then businesses will pay you for that skill. Many small business owners are too busy to manage their own Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok accounts. You can reach out to them directly, offering to take over their social media for a monthly fee. You can find these businesses in local Facebook groups, or by just searching on Instagram. Start by offering a free 1-week trial to show them what you can do. Once they see the results, they'll be happy to pay for your services. Number 9 is a fun one, testing websites and apps. Companies are always looking for real people to test their new websites and apps before they launch to the public. They want to make sure they're easy to use and free of bugs. Websites like user testing pay you to do just that. You sign up for free, and they'll send you tests. Typically, you'll be asked to record your screen and speak your thoughts aloud as you navigate a website or complete certain tasks. Each test usually takes about 20 minutes and can pay around $10 to $20. It's a straightforward way to earn some extra cash by sharing your honest feedback. And finally, number 10 is becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. A virtual assistant does pretty much what an administrative assistant does in an office, but remotely from home. The tasks can vary widely. You might be managing someone's email inbox, scheduling appointments, doing online research, managing their social media, or handling customer service. You can specialize in a specific area or be a generalist. You can find VA jobs on freelance platforms like Upwork or in specialized Facebook groups for entrepreneurs who are looking to hire. It's a stable way to earn a consistent income online using skills you probably already have. So there you have it, 10 different ways you can start making money online right now, without spending a single dollar. The key is to just start. Pick one or two of these methods that sound interesting to you, and commit to learning and trying them out. It won't happen overnight, but with persistence, you can build a legitimate online income stream. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And let me in the comments below which method you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.